Here we go. Oh, look at all the corn. If we cut it open, we could put you inside. You'd never be missed. Look at that big white one right there.
I know.
It's pretty amazing.
These are quite something.
Let's stand by that white one. Look, they're in their picture of him.
We'll wait for our turn.
Yeah. Makes you. I have no idea what that is. Is it a watermelon? I have no idea what it is. If it's an apple, it's a big one. Makes you wonder how much that thing weighs. Again. That's a huge one there. 787 pounds is what that weighs. Pick it up, hon. Yeah. That's a big one.
You can take a picture also while you are taking a video. Okay, it's your turn.
I'm good.
Take a picture of you. Come on.
Yeah. Please do not touch. 446 pounds is what this thing is.
Huge.
And if Gracie sat on it, it'd be 546 pounds. That thing's a monster. This one here weighs 787 pounds. Yep, we're drying out the corn here. I don't know what this thing is.
I know, that's a green one here. It's like a bell. Looks like a bell.
It's an apple.
It's not an apple.
Yeah, it's an apple.
It's a squash also.
Yeah, never seen anything like that before. It's the first time.
I had my grandkids here.
Fantastic. How are you doing? Muscadine grapes?
I don't have any right now.
Why not? You knew I was coming today and you didn't save me any?
No, I've not had any in a while.
I hate when that happens.
$8
Yep.
for a bag.
There you go.
Mix and match box your own. Look at this.
That's some serious gourds there.
Oh no. Oh no. These.
Oh yeah. Oh, Carolina, like that, you know? Yeah, but like as the white and the white. 2 pounds. The only thing is, I don't have to use the other stuff. It would be literally like on
This and jam.
Yeah. Yeah, those pumpkins have warts.
Gorgeous, right?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I know. It's amazing. Look at the different colors.
I
Pink,
know.
pink and blue and everything. Never seen anything like that. That's pretty wild. interesting, these awards. Mhm.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Couldn't even see me here. Look at that.
Mhm.
Okay. This is what we usually have in the Philippines, the green ones.
Yeah.